Mami Pinong. It's been a while since I did a video of me preparing dinner. I thought I'd stop by today and show you guys what I am making for dinner. We are having steak. Here's my pieces of steak. There's about 4 New York steak. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my sauce to marinate the steak. So the kids are having mac and cheese and steak, and my husband's having steak, jasmine rice, and I'm thinking about making cucumber salad or papaya salad. I haven't decided on that part, but let's go ahead and start the sauce to marinate the steak. This is just what I came up with. Now these sauce varies. I don't make my sauce the same all the times, but the ingredients are pretty basic. And the standard sauce that I used, I have soy sauce, chicken broth powder, oyster sauce, black peppers, and sugar. This one is lemon and pepper seasoning. So, all right guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with the chicken broth powder. Now the amount varies. I have 4 pieces of steak, so I probably make a little bit more on the sauce. Okay, I'll probably do 2, maybe 1 tablespoon and a little bit half. I will put 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's black pepper. I probably will just use like a teaspoon since the kids are also eating. I don't want to make it too spicy. Okay, maybe a teaspoon of black pepper. And this is lemon and pepper seasoning. Okay. I'll probably do a little bit over a teaspoon, that is. Soy sauce, I probably will do 1 tablespoon. Okay. Oyster sauce. I'm almost out of my oyster sauce. Okay, I'm gonna go for 1 tablespoon. All right. Sauce. Dump it all in there. Mix it all in. I got my meat marinated. It looks dry, but it's pretty flavored. The reason that I don't want it to be too much sauce is because I am adding this last sauce in there. This is the all meats, fish, and vegetable seasoning. It's a bit on the salty end, so I want to put the sauce in and then cook it right away so that it doesn't get too salty. All I do is just pour the amount in there. I don't really measure it. So. And I quickly mix it up, and I will put this in the grill right away. I do not want to wait because, like I said, it will get salty if you let it sit and marinate long. I have my grill ready, so let's go ahead and grill it. We are out in my backyard, so here's the grill. I will go ahead and put the meat in. Like I said, I don't want to wait too long for it. Down, it's a little bit high. So the kids will have their well done, and my husband's probably going to have it a little bit on the medium rare. getting started with the mac and cheese sauce. Here's the butter. Just a regular butter that I'm using. I will put like a half of it. It's about 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm using queso cheese, 2 types of cheese for my mac and cheese. I don't have a mound. I would just put how much cheese I want and how much macaroni I have. I have quite a lot, so I will probably use this much in there. This is the queso cheese. Use this much. Just gonna let those melt. Put some milk in there. Just gonna pour the amount. I'm gonna put a little bit of whipping cream. Just a little bit in there. And we're just gonna have all the ingredients blend in together. I am going to add a little bit of the chicken broth powder. That will add the little extra taste to the to my mac and cheese. Maybe like a teaspoon of it. All right, guys, I got the sauce made. Can you like show the sauce a little bit? Yeah, so that's the mac and cheese sauce that I just made. My daughter wanted to try making it. Well, it's nothing much because all she has to do is put the mac and cheese in the sauce and mix up with the mix it up with the sauce. So I'm gonna let her do that. So it's nothing hard.
I put this in.
Yes, but you gotta be careful so that the mac and cheese doesn't, you know, fall out all over the place. Be careful.
Should I use this?
Yeah, I would use a spoon to kind of guide in. Because it's dried out, so it kind of stick together. Yes, it's not that difficult, so I'm giving her the easy task. It's a start, right? The steak is cooked. I'm just leaving it on top level to kind of keep it hot. I will take it out shortly. Okay, is it all in there?
No.
You know what I mean?
Well,
yeah. Be careful. Okay, that's good, right? So that's all there is to it. Everything is cooked already. So all you have to do is mix it in with the sauce really well and let it kind of...
this every day.
Okay, do you want to taste it?
Yes.
Do you like it?
I will taste it.
No, just take it from the spoon. Don't put the whole spoon in your mouth because that's what you're using to stir. Is it good? Okay. So, yeah. So all we have to do is mix it up and it is good to go. Okay, so mac and cheese is done. Now we are gonna bring the steak in and get the kids fixed up with their dinner. My son is hungry.
Oh, this way.
Guys, the steak is all done. Now some of them are well done and the others are like kind of rare. That one's probably rare. That one's for the kids, so it's cooked all the way. All right, I am slicing the steak for the kids. So this one is pretty cooked. My daughter wants to have a bite. Ah, it's hot. When the kids say it's good, that's the end of things. Do you want to give me your plate, baby? Really? This is how much you're getting? Let me show you. I told my sister, I told my daughter to plate her own mac and cheese. This is how much she got. She acts like she's gonna eat the whole thing. Oh my God.
I will.
We'll see if she finished this. But yeah, that's a lot of mac and cheese, little girl. So, do you want a lot of steak or not? Okay. Do you want the A1 sauce? Okay.
Actually, I'll just get it.
Just in case. So this will be my daughter's plate. How about your brother? Do you want to plate for him or you want to get himself?
The mac and cheese is good. It's really good.
Mac and cheese is really good.
Mm-hmm.
Here's my son's plate. Simple dinner for the kids. All right. The kids are enjoying their dinner. Now I am preparing my husband's dinner. I decided to do cucumber salad. I think it's easier and takes less time. So yeah, they're having, right now they're playing around. Looks like they're full.
Hey!
We have to make different dish at times. You guys need to wrap it up because you need to go shower. You're so full.
I finished all my mac and cheese.
Wanna show them? Okay. She cleared her mac and cheese, guys. You remember how big she got? Well, she got some steak left. She didn't finish that, but mac and cheese is done. The kids are wrapping up their nights. They're gonna head to shower soon, and it's gonna be tucked in around 8:30. They go to bed at 8:30 on school night. Weekends, we let them stay up. Do your dance. All done. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the sauce.